Hello everyone, welcome to all. And today we are going to learn the calendar, how we can apply the calendar, and how to customize the calendar, how to add the holidays. So these things we are gonna cover in this today's session. So this will be in very detailed format. So don't skip the video, just go through the sequence. So see this. Here in the previous class, if you haven't gone through the previous videos, so I will request you or I would suggest you go to the previous videos so you can link up with the sequence because the sequence is mandatory in planning and management. So as you can see here, this was the constraints we have applied. So because I'm adding the calendars. So in this calendars, I will remove this constraint so that the date will be shifted. Otherwise, this is fixed. 25th September is fixed. Now, if you add the constraints, that means the date has been fixed. If you add a calendar, so it won't change. So that's why I won't apply the constraint. I will keep it as a none. Now, let's create the calendar first, then we will apply here. So for creating the calendar, go to this enterprise and then go to this calendar. And in this calendar, as you can see here, we have three type of calendar. This is global calendar. Global calendar is globally applicable. That means if you have a multiple projects and you want to apply the same calendars to the all projects, then you can select the global calendars. Global calendar 5 into 10, that means Monday to Friday, 10 hours per day. 6 into 24, that means Monday to Saturday, 24 hours shift 5 session. And this is the Saturday, 7 into 24, that means Monday to Sunday, 24 hours. Corporate, that means Monday to Friday, 8 hours per day. And this is the trade, that means morning 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And this type of calendar is called resource calendar. This is the calendar for the resources only. This can be done once you will add the resources. Without adding the resources, it is not possible. So after adding the resources, if you want to add the calendar for any particular resources, let's say some resources are working on the standard time, but some resources are working as a shift wise. So if in that case, if you want to add the constraint, so you can apply the constraint as well. But now this is the project constraint. That means this is the calendar for the project only. We can customize this. We can create it for this project which is open now. So I will select this project calendar and we'll go to this add button. With this add button and now choose the replica. We will replicate it. So this would be the corporate calendar. I will make it copy and here I will rename it. Let's say I will rename it NITDP. So this would be the calendar name. Now I will customize it as per my requirements. So I will select it and then we will modify it with the help of modify button. So this modify button you can see here, this is the 8 hours per day and detail will be like this detailed per day. So this would be the details hours and this would be the total hours. As you can see here, these are we having legends, these are the standards and non-work, this dark color is the non-work and exception is in white color which will accept, will change it. So now you can see here if I'm selecting anything, so it is showing here 8 hours per day, but here if you are selecting anything, it is showing you 0 hours per day. So I want to change it and I want to make it Monday to Saturday, 10 hours per day. So in that case, what I will do here, I will go to this work week, go to this work week and let's customize this calendar. Then go to the work week and here I want to keep it Sunday as 0 and Monday is 10 hours, Tuesday is 10 hours, Thursday 10 hours, Wednesday 10 hours, Friday and Saturday also 10 hours. So I will make it all 10 hours, 10 hours, 10 hours, then okay. Now go to this time period. So here in the time period, because 1 hours is equal to 10 hours, so 1 week would be equal to 60 hours, so 1 month would be equal to 240 hours and the hours will be equal to 2880 hours like this. Now make it okay. So this way Now you can see here the calendar has been customized. All the days are Monday to Friday and all days having 10 hours per 10 hours per day instead of 8 hours. Earlier it was 8 hours, now it is 10 hours. Now make it okay. Now, as you can see here, this calendar has been assigned, has been created. Now we will assign into the project. So see this calendar is showing you 326 duration. And 1st September, it is starting from 1st September and ending to the 30th of November. Ending to 30th of November 27, 30 November 27. Keep in mind. Now what I will do here, I will go to the project, and the project, you can see this is the detail of project. You can see here, this is the detail of selected activities. So if you go to the activity section, this detail view is for the activity. And if you go to the project section, the detail will be for the project. So now I will go to the project detail because I want to assign this calendar which I have created. I will assign it into the project. So I will go to this default option. In this default option, you can see here, this is the calendar, and here I will change the calendar. Just go to this option and see this is your project calendar. If you don't find this project calendar here, just go to this display button, and in this display button, you can see here, this is the global calendar. So all the global calendar would be there. So again, you can see here, this is the project calendar. So you need to go to the project calendar and then see this like this. So this way you have changed the calendar also. So we have assigned the calendar. So this is my calendar. Now what is the problem? What is the point? The point is you have added the calendar, you have applied the calendar, you have assigned the calendar into the project. But the point is there is no any changes you can see here. See, it is opening. My software is opening here. See, durations are same, dates are same because you can see here. See, this when you are selecting the dates, when you are selecting the dates, see this. When you are selecting any task, so the task is showing you the calendar, and every calendar is the same as it was earlier. Earlier it was corporate calendar. So this corporate calendar because this activity was created of before creating the calendar or assigning the calendar. But if you create any activity here, if you add any activity now, so see this activity having showing the calendar, which is new calendar because it is created after assigning the calendar. So what I need to do here is the point is, I will change all the calendar one by one. And once you change the calendar like this, you can see here, the duration will also change. The duration will also change. So this is the problem. So what should be the sequence? The sequence should be the calendar should be assigned before creating the schedule. Before creating the schedule, the calendar should be created and assigned. This is the point. Right, everyone? This is the point. The calendar should be created before assigning the or before creating the calendar. So this way, I will create one by one all the activities. All the activities, I will change it like this. Similarly, I will change these activities to this way. This was 15. This was 15. Change it. This is 15. So this way I need to change it, right? So this is called assigning the calendar and changing the calendar. In the next video, I will show you how to add the holidays and customizing the holidays. So till then, do practice. Practice is very important. We'll meet you in the next class. So we will connect. with the next class for customizing the holidays and adding the holidays. So this should be the sequence, everyone. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. We'll meet you in the next class.